husband went to another Walmart and found that, and it's reversible. It lights up. It is so cute. I'll show you guys what it looks like later with the lights out. But I am so excited because we're getting ready to decorate the yard. I've been waiting on my husband because we do this together every year. So I'm excited. So I hope you guys are ready. So now we are getting this little graveyard set up, and the tombstone I got, it is Billy from Hocus Pocus. It's his little grave. So we're gonna get all that set up, but I do think next year I am just going to get some wood and I'm going to build my own fences for the little graveyards, because these plastic ones, y'all, they're so expensive. It was a pack of 3, and they were $25, and I bought 4 just so I could have enough, and 2 of them had already broke. So they're just expensive, and it's plastic, so they're cute, but no, I'm just gonna make my own next year. But we are taking some purple Halloween lights and we are wrapping around the fence just so we can have it all lit up. So I left that clip in. My daughter told me to leave it in. We were sitting there playing around with that guy, and my husband decided to turn around and dance with it. But now we're getting Jack put together, and we realized we didn't have enough extension cords, and because like all my cords are in my Christmas boxes, and I wasn't going through all of my Christmas decor boxes to get the extension cords, so we got everything set up the way we wanted it. And then later that evening we went to Walmart and to get some more extension cords, and Mr. Dark, he is so cool. You guys will see him pop up here in a minute, but he only popped up like 2 or 3 times and then he broke. So yesterday this has taken us a course of a few days to get done, because yesterday we had to go to a bunch of different Spirit Halloween stores to see if they had him, because I really just wanted to exchange him because I wanted him. He is just so cool. You guys will see here in a minute. And just ignore my roof. I did not realize it was that bad with all the pine needles until I was sitting here editing, because I don't ever go out front. We don't use our front door, and we always use the back door because our driveway is in the backyard, well, on the side of the house. So we use that door. And my kids, well, Stormy, she just loves checking the mail because she likes chatting with our mail lady. So she always runs out and checks the mail. So I don't ever come out front. So I didn't realize my roof was that bad. So my husband's going to get up there later and get it all swept off. So now we were getting the spider web put up, and that little spider that I've got sitting in my little flower bed is a jumping spider, and I like him. He's pretty cool. To me, when he jumps and then like the sound that he makes, it kind of reminds me of the Predator. Later on, at the end of the video, I will go around and show you all of the animatronics going off and everything, and we're gonna get Bubba over there in the doghouse set up. So that chain right there, that was in one of our totes from last year, but my daughter had the brilliant idea about taking that chain and tacking it to the ground and then wrapping the other end around Bubba's neck. So when he popped out the doghouse, it looked like he was on a chain. Just kind of to make him look a little bit more scarier. And then my husband told me to go get an extra dog bowl that we have, so we could put out beside Bubba's doghouse. So I talk a lot in my videos. So do you guys like all the talking, or would you rather me less talk and play more music? But I do like to talk a lot. So, and plus with me having this YouTube channel, and it has just given me a lot more confidence in myself and a lot more comfortable in talking. So now I've just gotten comfortable with everything, and I like to talk. So if you guys don't like all the talking, let me know down below if you would rather less talk and more music. So I'm getting all of my tombstones together so I can get them all put in the ground. And my stakes, I got those from Walmart in the yard sale section, and they've got that double-sided tape on the back, and you pull that little sticky part off and just stick it to it. And it was so windy yesterday. They did not blow over, they didn't blow away. So if you guys are wanting to keep your tombstones in the ground, because they don't come with really good stakes or even very long, just go to Walmart in the yard sale section and get these little posts. They work perfect. And I also got a bag of bones for Bubba, so we just scattered some bones out in front of it, just kind of make it look a little bit more meaner and scarier.
mine forever.
He's not on.
We'll turn him on.
He's on.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all have a wonderful Tuesday and a wonderful rest of your week, and have a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week.